I'd like to introduce Nick Harris, Acting CEO of Highways England, who's very kindly agreed to open this PROFCon 21 conference. Nick.
Good morning, everyone. And thanks, Richard. It's great to be here, and welcome, everyone. It's the first time I've been to the Brooklands, so I don't know. Maybe some of you have been before. Interesting place. I was hoping there'd be more of the track that you could see, but yeah, it was interesting to see the bit at the back there. A Mercedes World, so I don't know if later I can go around the track. Anyway, back to the matter at hand. So I'm here, of course, representing Highways England. I became the acting CEO back in February. Crumbs. 6 months has flown by, and hopefully soon we will have a permanent news about the permanent appointment. I've got my fingers crossed. But hopefully that will come soon. And it's been a busy 6 months. I've been to at least 2 select committees, the Transport Select Committee about smart motorways or all-lane running. And I think that's quite relevant for why we're here today. In preparing for that, and a lot of the work that we've done as a team looking at safety has really underlined the importance of all of the partnerships and everyone that we collaborate with to make our roads some of the safest in the world. So it's not about how roads are designed alone, it's not just about the drivers, vehicle manufacturers, the essential services that the recovery industry provide, all of the emergency services. It's all of those and more, and how we work together in partnership to ensure that our roads are some, if not the safest in the world. And it was really good to be able to talk to the Transport Select Committee about how we work together and what we do to achieve that. So I'm really delighted that we're here sponsoring this event. And this comes, I mean, when did we start doing this? About 2 years ago?
About 18 months, yeah.
18 months ago. And I think 18 months ago, 2 years ago, we really signalled a change in the way that Highways England were engaging and working, not only with the recovery industry, but with others. And I've been really keen, since I came into this role, to not only engage, but demonstrate how we're much more open, we're listening, we understand, and there are lots of really great and exciting things that we want to do together. So this is about bringing us all together to talk about the positive, constructive, good things that we're doing together, and we're going to hear more about that, and how we can continue to have a great impact and effect on the industry. I mentioned smart motorways and all-lane running. Of course, that's only a really tiny bit of it. What all of you do on the rest of the roads, on A roads, just talking about us, is incredibly important. And we're working together to address how we can continue to improve the service that we collectively give there. So today, it was really good. We've been taking lots of photographs. I'm not so sure I'm keen on being photographed, but I'm sure with a bit of post-production work I can look good, so hopefully. So we've signed 2 strategic partnership agreements today, one with the National Tyre Distributors Association and the other with the Independent Recovery Industry Workers. We've signed those, that's brilliant. And that leads me on to, I think, something else. We're running this summer our safety campaigns focusing on tyre condition, tyre safety. One of the biggest causes of accidents on the network that we look after is tyres. So the campaign and this agreement, I think, are incredibly timely. These are important things for us to address. So really pleased that we're doing this. And I'm building on this and some of the actions that we've seen in the smart motorway stock take I hope this is a way we can continue to expand and build on our relationship, and how we work and our understanding of the recovery sector, and we'll go on together to do great things. So, thank you very much. Welcome, and I'm going to hand over now to Richard. Thank you.
Thanks Nick, thanks for that. Thanks for as you say, within the last 2 years, the continuing support and building of the relationships that we have. I'm very proud that the Professional Recovery Operators Federation has helped to pioneer, if you like, the strategic partnership agreements that we now have with the tyre industry, that we now have with our work providers, and of course with the recovery industry. As we've gone into COVID, as we went into lockdown, as we come out of it now, this industry is faced with new challenges, generational changes that I'm not sure we're yet equipped to deal with, know how to deal with. Economically viably, can we deal with them? But one thing I am sure of is if those strategic partnerships that we've all signed together, if we work together with our new partners, hopefully in the long term we'll be now collaborating with the police who are in attendance today, the fire brigade. Those emergency services and ourselves are what keep the strategic road network going.